This is the amount of money I earn from typing. You can also earn money like this from these websites. So let's see what this money-making website is. I kindly request you to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Transcript is a global transcription website that allows users to earn money by typing audio recordings into text. It is beginner-friendly and accepts workers from many countries. After registration, you must pass a test to qualify for real jobs. Once approved, you can choose from available transcription tasks. Each job has different difficulty levels, and your earnings depend on the audio length and accuracy of your work. The more tasks you complete, the more you can earn. Transcript pays per audio minute, and payments are usually processed through PayPal or other available methods. Consistency and quality are very important because better ratings give you access to higher paying jobs. To increase earnings, you should practice listening to different English accents, improve typing speed, and carefully follow transcription guidelines. Working regularly and maintaining accuracy will help you build a stable income over time from this platform. Rev is a popular online transcription platform where users can earn money by converting audio and video files into written text. After signing up, you must pass a qualification test before you can start working. Once approved, you can access a variety of transcription and captioning jobs. The earning process is simple. You choose an available file, listen carefully, and type exactly what you hear. Payment depends on the length and difficulty of the audio. Higher quality and faster work allows you to complete more tasks, which increases your income. On average, beginners may earn a small amount per audio minute, but experienced transcribers can earn more by maintaining high accuracy and speed. Payments are usually sent via PayPal. To earn more money on Rev, focus on improving your English listening skills, typing speed, and grammar accuracy. Using good headphones and practicing regularly can significantly increase your productivity and earnings over time. Scribie is a transcription platform that pays users for converting audio recordings into written documents. It is suitable for beginners as well as experienced transcribers. To start earning, you must first create an account and pass a transcription test. Once approved, you can select audio files from the dashboard and start transcribing. Each file has specific guidelines that must be followed carefully. After submission, your work is reviewed before payment is approved. Earnings are calculated based on audio length and quality of work. Faster and more accurate transcription allows you to complete more files, increasing your overall income. Payments are usually made through PayPal once you reach the minimum payout threshold. To maximize earnings, focus on improving English listening skills, typing speed, and accuracy. Using good headphones and practicing regularly will help you handle difficult audio files more easily. Over time, Scribie can become a steady side income source if used consistently. Clickworker is a micro-task platform where users can earn money by completing small online jobs such as typing, data entry, writing short texts, categorization, and AI training tasks. It is not limited to transcription only, so it offers multiple ways to earn. After signing up, you need to complete your profile and pass qualification tests. Based on your performance, you will receive access to different types of tasks. Some tasks take only a few minutes, making it easy to earn in spare time. Your income depends on the number of tasks you complete and the type of work available. More skilled users often get access to higher paying jobs. Payments are processed after task approval and can be withdrawn through supported payment methods. To earn more, you should complete all available qualification tests, maintain high accuracy, and check the platform regularly for new tasks. Consistency is the key to increasing your earnings on Clickworker. Transcribe is an online platform that allows users to earn money by listening to short audio clips and typing them into text. It is one of the easiest transcription websites for beginners because most tasks are small and simple. After creating an account, you need to pass an entrance exam. Once approved, you will get access to short transcription jobs called microtasks. These tasks can be completed quickly, allowing you to earn small amounts frequently. Your earnings depend on how many tasks you complete and your accuracy level. Payments are usually sent through PayPal after reaching the minimum payout limit. To earn more money, focus on improving your listening skills, typing speed, and attention to detail. Because tasks are short, working consistently throughout the day can help you increase your total income. Transcribe is a good starting point for anyone new to online transcription work. If you want a video on how I made money from this website, leave a comment in the comments box, and I will show you about it. Subscribe to us, and keep the bell icon on to watch new videos like this. So, have a good day everyone.